Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Some refrigerators have doors that only open on one side. Fortunately, all the hardware can easily be reversed. In this episode, I'll show you how to remove and switch the doors so that they open from the opposite side. We'll also inspect the gasket to make sure that the door is sealing properly. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver, a hex wrench, and petroleum jelly. You might also need a socket set, an adjustable wrench, and a heat gun. First, remove the plastic cap that covers the top hinge. Now, remove the mounting screws. Hold the door in place to keep it from shifting. Next, remove the mounting bracket. Now lift up the door and remove it. To remove the bottom door, you'll have to unscrew and remove the mounting pin. Now lift up the door slightly and remove it. Next, unscrew and remove the mounting bracket. The bottom bracket is also held in place by several screws. Unscrew and remove the mounting pin. To reverse the doors, you'll have to switch each mounting bracket to the opposite side. In some cases, you might have to remove a few screws to reveal the holes. Just remember to transfer the spare screws over to the other side. The middle bracket will flip 180 degrees. Leave out the mounting pin to make it easier to install the door. For the lower bracket, you might have to move the pin to the other slot. This way, the pin will be on the outside when the door is installed on the opposite side. If your model has a handle, then you'll have to switch it to the other side. Some handles wrap around the edge and have a visible screw at the top or bottom of the door. Loosen the mounting screws. Now lift up and remove the handle. In most cases, you'll have to transfer the screws or mounting pins to the other side. Now align the handle and tighten the mounting screws. Some handles will be locked in place by set screws. Loosen the screws part way. Now lift up the handle. Next, transfer the screws to the other side. Align the handle and tighten the set screws. Before installing the door, it's best to add petroleum jelly to the bottom pin. As well, add some to the lower part of the middle pin. Place the bottom door over the pin. Now hold the door closed to help keep it aligned. Insert the middle pin and screw it into place. Add petroleum jelly to the top pin. Now add some to the top of the middle pin. Place the freezer door over the mounting pin. Now hold the door closed to keep it in place. Align the pin of the top bracket into the door. Now tighten the screws. After reversing the doors, it's best to check the door seals. Inspect the door gasket and look for any gaps. You might notice that the gasket isn't sealing properly on the side with the handle. Since this used to be the hinge side, the gasket was likely compressed every time the door was opened, resulting in a warped or uneven shape. If needed, you can use a hairdryer to reform the gasket. Simply let the magnetic strip catch and apply heat. Now pull the handle slightly. This can expand the gasket, which will reduce any gaps. You might also need to use your hands to help form the gasket. As well, applying a light coat of Vaseline can also help the gasket to make a better seal. Now, if the gasket is too worn out or damaged, then it might be best to install a new one. You can learn more in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.